Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Snuza Pico is probably one of the most innovative and essential baby safety devices available today, offering parents unparalleled peace of mind by continuously monitoring their little one's breathing movements. This smart wearable device attaches discreetly to your baby's diaper, utilizing advanced technology to detect even the slightest changes in abdominal movement, ensuring that you are alerted immediately should any irregularities occur. Its compact and lightweight design means it won't disturb your baby's sleep, making it a truly unobtrusive yet incredibly powerful tool for safeguarding your precious child during those crucial early months. Number 5. Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set. Introducing the Aveeno Baby Mommy and Me Gift Set, designed for precious bath time moments. This set offers gentle care for both baby and mom. The baby wash and shampoo gently cleanses delicate skin and hair. Its formula is tear-free, ensuring a comfortable bath time experience. Create a serene atmosphere with the calming bath ingredients. It helps to soothe and relax your little one before bedtime. Keep their skin soft and hydrated with the daily moisturizing lotion. It's perfect for maintaining healthy, supple skin after their bath. This set also includes a stress relief body wash for mom. It's a wonderful way to unwind and enjoy some personal time. Enriched with colloidal oatmeal, known for its skin-soothing properties. It provides gentle care that is safe and effective for the whole family. What we like? This set offers a complete bath time solution for both you and your little one. It includes gentle washes, a calming bath soak, and moisturizing lotions. If you're looking for an all-in-one, convenient, and nurturing gift for new parents or for your own baby-sensitive skin, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The Snuza Pico is a small, portable breathing monitor that attaches to your baby's diaper. It monitors your baby's breathing and alerts you if there are any changes. The device is easy to use and provides peace of mind for parents. Number 4. Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. Achieve a flawless finish that lasts all day. This setting powder is your secret weapon for makeup that stays put. Whether your skin is light, medium, or tan, this powder blends seamlessly. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty. Enjoy a comfortable, weightless feel that doesn't cake or crease. It provides a smooth, breathable finish you'll love. Simply apply after your foundation to set your makeup. It helps control shine and ensures your look remains perfect for hours. Trust in the expertise of Dermablend for professional quality makeup. This loose setting powder is a must-have for your routine. What we like? Achieve a flawless, matte finish that lasts all day with this setting powder. It effectively blurs imperfections and controls shine without creasing or caking. If you need makeup that stays put through long days or special events, and you want a smooth, perfected complexion regardless of your skin tone, this is the product for you. What people say. The Snuza Pico is a wearable baby monitor that clips onto your baby's diaper and monitors their breathing rate and movement. It connects via Bluetooth to a smartphone app, providing real-time alerts if breathing patterns change or movement stops. The device is designed to be small and lightweight, ensuring it doesn't disturb the baby's sleep. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Experience ultra-fast, reliable performance that goes beyond typical Wi-Fi switches. This smart hub ensures your lighting is always dependable, even without Wi-Fi. Install a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch and mount the remote anywhere to control your light seamlessly. Enjoy ultra-fast, stable performance thanks to its Wi-Fi free operation. It provides dependable smart lighting control that you can always count on. Manage your lighting remotely using the intuitive app. Set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing for complete smart home automation. This dimmer switch features a sleek, modern design that blends perfectly with your existing switches, offering a premium smart home experience. It connects with major smart home platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, making it one of the most compatible options available. Experience premium, flicker-free dimming for your LEDs. Our advanced technology ensures smooth and consistent lighting control at all levels. What we like? This smart dimmer switch kit provides reliable and responsive control over your home lighting. It's designed for easy installation, even without a neutral wire, and offers extensive compatibility with major smart home ecosystems. If you prioritize dependable smart lighting performance, want to add smart control to multiple locations easily, and appreciate broad integration with your existing smart home setup, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Snuza Pico is a wearable baby breathing monitor that attaches to your baby's diaper. It monitors your baby's breathing rate and movement and alerts you if breathing stops or becomes very slow. The device connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, allowing you to track your baby's breathing patterns and receive alerts on your phone. Number 2. Lutron Caseta 3-button Pico Remote. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Pico Remote, a versatile 3-button controller. It offers convenient control over your Caseta dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers. Easily turn your lights on or off, and adjust brightness with the raise and lower buttons. You can also set and recall your favorite lighting levels with the preset button. Enjoy the freedom to adjust your lights from anywhere in the room. This remote provides convenient control without needing to be near the switch. Use it on a tabletop with the coordinating pedestal, or mount it on the wall with a compatible wall plate, sold separately. It offers flexible placement to suit your needs. This remote boasts an impressive 10-year battery life, ensuring reliable performance. The battery is included, so you can start using it right away. The package includes one white Pico remote control. Coordinating accessories like tabletop pedestals and wall plates are available separately to enhance your setup. What we like. This remote offers effortless control over your compatible smart dimmers, allowing you to adjust lights from anywhere in the room. With its extended battery life and ability to set presets, it simplifies lighting adjustments. If you appreciate having quick access to dimming and on-off functions without needing your phone, and you want a simple, reliable way to manage your lights, this is a perfect addition. What people say. The Snuza Pico is a wearable baby monitor that clips onto your baby's diaper and monitors breathing rate and movement. It connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, allowing you to receive alerts if breathing is detected to be too slow or stops altogether. The device also tracks sleeping position and temperature, providing valuable insights into your baby's sleep patterns. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Pedestal. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Pedestal. It's designed to conveniently angle your Pico Smart Remote for easy tabletop use. With its weighted, non-slip base, this pedestal stays securely in place. You won't have to worry about it sliding around. Never lose track of your remote again. This accessory makes it simple to find and control your smart lighting. The pedestal comes in a clean white finish, complementing your home decor. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your existing setup. This package includes one white pedestal for your Pico remote. Enhance your smart lighting experience with this essential accessory. What we like. This pedestal provides a stable and convenient way to position your smart remote for easy tabletop access. Its weighted base ensures it stays put, making your remote readily available. If you prefer not to wall mount your remote and want a dedicated, accessible spot for it on a table or counter, this accessory enhances the usability of your smart lighting system. What people say. The Snuza Pico is a wearable baby monitor that clips onto your baby's diaper and monitors their breathing rate and movement. It connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, allowing you to track your baby's sleep patterns and receive alerts if there are any issues. The device is small and lightweight, making it comfortable for your baby to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.